Stoic quotes to control yourself in the toughest times. Imagine facing a challenging moment where everything seems to be spiraling out of control. Here's a powerful quote to set the stage. The true man is revealed in difficult times. Epictetus. This quote sets the tone for our exploration of Stoic wisdom to help us navigate tough times with grace and resilience. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, offers timeless wisdom that is incredibly relevant today. By embracing its teachings, we can learn to control our reactions and find inner peace even in the most challenging situations. In this article, we will delve into 7 powerful Stoic quotes that can guide you to maintain control and composure during life's toughest times. Number 1. There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. Epictetus. This quote reminds us to focus on what we can control. Instead of stressing over things beyond our influence, we should concentrate on our actions and responses. Number 2. If you want your children and wife and friends to live forever, you're a fool, because you're wanting things that aren't within your power to be within your power. Epictetus. Epictetus teaches us to accept that not everything is within our control, especially the lives and actions of others. Accepting this can bring immense peace. Number 3. The content of your character is your choice. Day by day, what you choose, what you think, and what you do is who you become. Heraclitus. Our daily choices shape our character. By focusing on our actions and thoughts, we can build a strong, resilient character capable of facing adversity. Number 4. Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. Epictetus. This quote emphasizes doing our best with what we can control and accepting what we cannot. It's a reminder to stay grounded and not be overwhelmed by external events. Number 5. No person has the power to have everything they want, but it is in their power not to want what they don't have, and to cheerfully put to good use what they do have. Seneca. Seneca advises us to find contentment with what we have rather than constantly desiring more. This mindset can reduce stress and increase happiness. Number 6. Anyone capable of angering you becomes your master. He can anger you only when you permit yourself to be disturbed by him. Epictetus. By controlling our reactions to others, we retain our power and avoid letting others dictate our emotions. Number 7. Don't seek to have events happen as you wish, but wish them to happen as they do happen, and all will be well with you. Epictetus. This quote encourages us to accept life as it unfolds, reducing resistance and frustration. Embracing events as they come can lead to a more peaceful and content life. These quotes, especially, "The true man is revealed in difficult times," underline the essence of Stoicism, resilience and inner strength. They remind us that true growth and character are forged in adversity. By internalizing these Stoic principles, we can transform our approach to life's challenges. These quotes serve as powerful tools to maintain composure, focus on what truly matters, and find strength in adversity. Incorporating Stoic wisdom into our daily lives helps us navigate tough times with grace and resilience. By focusing on what we can control, accepting what we cannot, and finding contentment in the present, we can stop worrying and start truly living. I encourage you to reflect on these Stoic quotes and see how they can help you in your own life. Share your favorite quotes or experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspirational content on Stoicism and personal growth.